side is gonna be the actual roll. So my roll is gonna be going this way and then tucked in the back. So right now I'm making a ponytail using this whole side of my head, but I'm gonna stop it right here. And I'm just gonna make a braid. I'm gonna end up pushing the hair this way because like I said, I do want the curly bits at the top. So I'm just gonna make a braid, but I'm not gonna braid all the way.
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, and I seen you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody?
So now we got this hair that we are going to start to roll.
Hey guys, I'm gonna jump in and just do some voiceovers to kind of explain a little bit more on what I'm actually doing. So I am taking 2 sections to actually do my roll. I'm wrapping this side around, so I'm just twirling it around my fingers to give that wrap look, and I'm going to pull that over the braid. So that's going to sit over top of the braid, but right now where my hand is, I am going to put a pin there, and then I'm just going to pull my hair over to go on top of the braid. So the braid is going to be underneath the wrap, and that's what's going to give that roll look. Since I don't have like an actual base for the roll, I kind of do it that way. That's like a cheat method for you, and you're actually going to put your pins kind of behind where that braid was, so you don't see it. So now that I'm wrapping the hair around, I am still doing that twisting motion around my hand, and you're hiding all of the additional hair behind that braid. So that's what that base of the braid was for, so that you can tuck all the extra hair underneath the braid. So I hope that's not confusing, and I hope you guys got what I am saying. And if not, hopefully the video itself, you know, you'll be able to follow along that way. But even if that's confusing too, just try it out. I feel like you trying it out, you'll kind of be able to see a little bit better of what I'm saying, and you'll be able to do it yourself as well. But I did split it into 2 sections just because it was just too much hair going on. And this last section here is really like my section to clean up the roll itself. And because there was so much tucking going on with the first section, this section is just like kind of cleaning it up, making the roll itself just kind of smooth and clean. Of course, this is not going to be that smooth because I'm doing it on myself. But if you were to be doing this on somebody else, it would be much, much easier. You can see what you're doing. But nonetheless, it's still a super cute and worth it style. So definitely try it out if you've never tried it before, or if you know you're getting back into this style, because this is definitely an old hairstyle. So yeah, there's a lot of bobby pins involved, but just take your time and make sure that you're hiding those pins and the additional hair behind that base braid.
I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no.